Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and Truncate a table in Laravel 11. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is a list of table is available. 24 table is available. And this my project is available gem folder. Inside this stdoc folder, in this is a project. This project is open in this Sublime text editor. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor, this is already open. In this project inside this is my cmd open. This directory inside let's PSP artisan server and enter. Successfully working good. Let's this copy and paste this browser. Successfully paste. Let's slash admin login. Admin login. Password is admin @gmail.com. Password 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Good working. Let's click this blog. Click this blog. Click blog. And this is inside this is a lost of is available. This is available. Inside this new button is implementation. First of all, this is a blog list file is open. This is a blog list file. This blog resource view admin. Let's check this blog list file. Blog inside this is available. This list file. This is a list file is a less font small. This is available. This list file title. This is a add blog. This is a name is available. This is a add blog. ID, title, slug, description all is available. This created date action is all available. This is available. And this is a table show. This table is available. Blog table. Click this blog. And this table is a show. This is a 6 entry is available. Inside this is a 6 entry is available. Successfully this is a blog is available. And this is a blog is available. This blog table and this model app model inside this is available. Blog model. This is already created. This is a blog model. Please step by step writing this. Only this writing and this. Not a function. This is a not a writing. This is a not a use. This not use. Only this only writing. Let's Control Z and as it is saved. This is available. This list show. Otherwise not available. This is successfully this writing. And let's this inside this new button is implement. This is implement new button. Let's step by step implementation inside this new button. Let's same here copy and paste here. And this is inside CS and refresh this page. And this is inside this is include date. This is a new button is include date. Let's end BPS save file and again this paste here and refresh this page. And inside this is a gap is implement. Let's my spelling mistake. Let's check this. This is a spelling mistake. This HTML. This NBSP. This is my spelling mistake. SP. Save file and refresh this page. This is not used. This refresh this page. Successfully this is remove. This is a page is available. Good working. This is as it is. Let's delete all. Delete all. Save file and refresh this page. And this is a name is a sense. Good working. Let's this button name is a sense. This is a button is a not a less danger. Color is a set danger. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is a set. This is a danger color is a set. Good working. This is a URL is a set blog. This name is implement. This is a truncate. This truncate means clean all clean. Save file, and let's refresh this page, and this is a click add all, delete all, click inside this admin blog, and Truncate is a show. Admin blog and Truncate good working. The same URL in the inside this same URL is available. Copy and route inside this web.php available. This is open, and this is inside this is a new created. Let's create new function. Let's new create this function. Let's create route get and paste here, and this is a create, and this is a block controller available. Let's check this block controller. This is a available block controller. Inside this is a implementation. This is a block controller class, and this is a implement block Truncate. Same here, paste here Truncate, and this is a close. This is a name is a copy. This name is a copy, and this block controller open. This is a block controller. This block controller open. HTTP controller inside this is available block controller, and this is already include. This model is already included. Let's inside this new function create public function and paste here. This is a paste here. This words is a paste here. Copy and inside this paste, and this is a let's echo and hello and die and save file and refresh this page. Successfully hello is a show. Good working. This is a hello is a successfully show. Fine. Let's inside this same here, copy and paste here, and this is a by default function name is available Truncate. This is a Truncate is a implementation. This Truncate implementation. Let's redirect back with and success all blog deleted, delete and save file, and this success message is available. This success message inside this file is available. This is inside this success message is available, and this message file is already included inside this already included. This is a included save file. Successfully all. First of all, this is a create. Inside this, first of all, this create this link is already create, and this create inside this function is a create, and this is a model is a create. This is a extra all is a available. This is a not write down only this route, write down this function only. Let's save file and refresh back button, click this and refresh this page, and this is a inside this 6 record is available, and refresh this page. Inside this is a 6 record is available. Only this single click, and this is a remove all table. This is a blank. Let's click this, delete all, click, and this is a table is a clear. On one click is a clean. Successfully record not found, and this is a all block delete. Let's refresh this page. Successfully table is a clean. One click is a table is a click. This is a future is a implementation. Let's inside this lost of blog implement step by step. Inside this delete all table, one click is a remove, 100% remove. This is a successfully shared. This is a block Truncate table, one click is a remove. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. YouTube, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available, and this is a new project development, so please contact anytime. This is a lost of project available, and please subscribe my channel, follow all link. This is a Facebook, Instagram, GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.